It's your boy Dickson. So Cipha Sound gets on Hot 97 and he makes a statement that the only reason that he does not have HIV is because he doesn't mess with Haitian women. He doesn't mess with Haitian women. I can't even explain it. I can't even explain it. This is your boy Dickson, and I'm talking about Cipha Sound from Hot 97. Gets on the radio and says that he does not have HIV because he doesn't mess with Haitian girls. Not only that, but he gets back on the radio and he makes a public apology saying that he is sorry for making a stupid joke. It was a stupid joke that he made.
Yo, let me talk to y'all real quick, ladies and gentlemen. Cipha Sounds of Rosenberg.
Word up.
It was there's a lot of talk right now.
Can you bring that down a little bit, Job? I'm sorry.
Sorry to interrupt, man. There's a lot of talk right now. A lot of Haitians calling up the radio station, making complaints. And a lot of people on Twitter and Facebook and all that about a joke I made early this morning on the morning show. I made a stupid, tasteless joke that was a one-liner that was taken totally the wrong way. And I want to say sincerely that I apologize for even saying this thing. And really why I'm apologizing is because people that don't even listen to the radio station are calling up the station saying Rosenberg made a racist joke. And Rosenberg did not make a racist joke. And I said something stupid that I'm embarrassed about, because I do nothing but rep for the Haitian people, you know. And I'm talking to my listeners. I can't talk for people that don't listen to the radio station and don't know how I rep for the Caribbean West Indian people. And when I do parties,
for real,
I start every party with "Where my Haitians at Sac Passe," you know what I'm saying? And when the earthquake hit, you know, we call the Salvation Army and we try to raise much money. And I don't even want to get into like I'm like some political figure. I made a stupid joke.
Yeah.
And I'm taking credit. I'm owning up to it. My name is Cipha Sounds. And anybody that been calling the radio station, I'm calling them up personally and telling them that I apologize if I offended you. We make a lot of jokes on this show in the morning time. And if I said anything to offend my Haitian people, I want to say I apologize. And I'm sorry to cut in on you, Jabba and Bobby Connors. No.
Not only that, but he said that the only reason the reason why he's really apologizing is because people were calling in and saying that it was Peter Rosenberg who said the statement, and it wasn't Peter, it was him. Mrs. Cipha, sir, I don't know if you know this, but HIV is no laughing matter. Then you go and you bring January 12th in it as if that is supposed to make the whole thing better and for us to understand that you were joking when you said what you said. How can someone take that statement the wrong way? Haïtien, nous pas kachita là pour nous quitter, moun ap di akaba comme ça, si nous pas faire rien. Faut nous ranger bagage ça vite. Faut nous ranger vite.